Haha. I'm a lovely driver. It's not perfect driving skills, and my driving skills are pretty good. Well, as I drive on my insane train, which I don't know what to say about it. It's just insane. See sky all around. No, nothing bad. As we make some turns, with some twists, I feel like we should start slowing down. Or I feel we get close to a station. But, oh, what is it? Saying a station? No, is it? It will be, but right now it's not. Alright, again, start slowing down. Because I don't know, someone ahead? What? Someone ahead? Hold, I need to slow down. What am I doing? There's someone ahead of me. Oh, very funny. Random track starting up. Let's speed things up again. I don't see nothing in that random track ending. Okay, that's pretty nice, pretty nice. I fear that I'm approaching the station. But I am approaching someone's behind. So I'm going to slow down major. For the 50s. Because I'm splitting, that's not good. Oh wait, this game just broke. I just made my train stop. Someone was just here. This thing doesn't have a horn, whatever those two floating dots are. I hope they go away, because those are just weird. And, there's a third random track, yay! And by the looks of it, it's drivable on, so yay! That's nice. I have money. I am funny. No, I am not actually funny. Don't take that seriously. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. This thing is so large. Like, bro, it's so large. Oh, the third random track is gone. Should be splitting tracks because that's how the game should work. Recording for 6 minutes 15, check. This won't be longer than 6 minutes 15. That won't be, but, that will happen at 6 minutes 15, so, Look at all this bland scenery. I'm just here to educate you. Now, where am I? I need to just keep up with it. Oh shit. Oh, yeah, alright. And as we take a look up ahead, yes, there is someone in front of us. What is the nearest station? Well, looks like it's really far. And why am I seeing Rick Astley? It means I'm seeing Rick Roll. No, I did not just get Rick Rolled because getting Rick Rolled would be weird, and I did not just get Rick Rolled. Why did Trevor... The next station, I don't even know where it is or what it's called. Am I getting close? Yeah, that probably means... What was I saying? West Palm Beach is like a cool place. Yeah, man. Hey, maybe I get to split check. Anyway, my train is back this way. Follow the track and you'll find it. That's my motto. Now, where even is my train? Yeah, past the Rick Astley signs. If my train passed that other train, I'm gonna be so mad because it went right through it. Have to be the other train. Yep. That means my train isn't far. Never mind, that means it's far. Just do a cut to when we start. Is it on or seriously reverse? It was seriously in reverse the whole time. Should slow you down along the way. That was actually weird. Why did it go in reverse? That was actually dumb. So speed is about maxed out. It's lost some distance on the next train. I guess I'll pause recording till we get some. Alright guys, we've gotten a little closer. Yeah, I'm going a little too fast for this. We're stopping. Alright, I'm not the one moving. Yep, that worked too. Just being very quick like that. I threw them off and grabbed new ones. Actually guys, I kind of looked ahead to see what happens after the station. I'll tell you right now. You guys may not want to know. It's gonna go here and then everything's gonna be weird. It's gonna become a thin, weird railway. Hold on, I need to find the tracks. Make sure I know where they are. It loops around. Hops off the universe, right? Then loops around and oh god, we're already here. Hey Brightline? Yes? How fast is your train? I'm insane, why? Whoa, my sprinting speed is more insane. Plus, I bet you can't deal with this. What kind of tracks are we on now, mister? We're on the dead tracks. We follow the train along these tracks to where its demise is. And right now, mister, you're dead. It is currently crossing the dead tracks. What is he doing? He's just crossing! Alright, we're gonna actually stop at the station this time instead of speeding around town, if you know what I mean. And I guess I'll end this video there. Maybe, yes, no. This was a weird video. Probably lazy too. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hey, this is a good sign. I'm seeing things again. And by things, I mean my own life. Save me, please, right now. I'm being kidnapped by this train. Now, what was that? Oh, nothing? Okay. Nice to know that. We start to slow down now as we start to reach what I'd call we are stopped for some reason. Wait. Because the game has broken itself. The first time this thing's broken. It's trapped. Interesting. Guess this is where I end it. Bye guys, see you all in another universe. Bye! Wait guys, never mind. I think the train's gonna reach something really quickly. Stop it here and then that will be the end of the video. You'll get